Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice.
Came through drippin', drip, drip.
Hey guys, welcome. It's your girl Krystal Nykole, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't already, just go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new future uploads. So for today's video, I'm going to do a brown glitter eye for you, and that's pretty much it. So let's jump right into this video. First, I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids as usual, using my Fawn concealer. Now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution setting spray, and I'm going to go ahead and set my lids so that they don't crease. Alright, so first we're going to go into my Morphe palette, and I think I'm going to pick up probably this shade here, and let's see if I can make this work. I'm not really sure, but let's see what we come up with. And I'm just going to dip into that shade, and we're just going to apply this in my crease area. And we're just going to do this on both of the lids, and just to give it a pop of color, because it is going to be a dark smoky eye, so I want it to have some type of warmth to it. And so and just always remember, you just want to focus your color on the outside of the V area first, and then drag what's left over into the inner corners of your eye. That way you don't have too much product in the inner corner. And with this shade here, right here, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild brush, and I'm just going to pick that up and just place that right on, a little bit lower than that first shade. Hopefully this look comes out how I'm hoping and how I have it in my head. I'm not really sure because this is my first time doing this look, so I'm going to see what happens. Right, so now I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to pick up the shade Burkina, and we're just going to pack that on the lid. Hopefully this turns out how I want it, or should I go up with a darker color? And I'm going to take this color up into that other color that I laid down prior to this one. I'm so praying that this look comes out how I'm imagining it, but I don't know. And so for now, we're just going to leave that as it is. And now I'm going to go into my other Juvia's Place palette. this palette here, and I'm just going to pick up this black shade right here, and I'm just going to put that in my crease area. And what I'm doing is trying to darken this look up a bit and make it more like a chocolatey brown. And I probably should have went in with like a darker brown first, but you know, this is what happens, girl. And I'm just taking like a chocolate brown color and just kind of warming that black up a little bit because it was a little bit too harsh. So I just went in and just kind of warmed that black up, and I used Fulani from this palette to kind of warm that up. So I'm just gonna go back into my black on the other side of this brush, and we're just going to put this down in the crease area again like we did on the other eye and blend it in really, really well before you put the chocolate shade on there. I'm just going to take this clean Morphe M441 brush and just go ahead and just blend everything together with this brush so everything just flows nicely. And for primer, I'm going to go in with my NYX Glitter Primer, and we're just going to place this all over our lid, and then we're going to go back in with the JCat glitter in the shade Gingerbread Sugar. It's like a really pretty chocolate shade. So let's go ahead and apply this glitter. I really don't like glitter. Like, I really don't. It's just so messy to me. I probably should have put some setting powder under my eyes. This is really pretty glitter though. But yes, my love-hate relationship with glitter is real. Like, it's pretty and all, but like, it's so freaking messy. And I'm not taking it too high like in my crease area because I don't want it to, like when I look up, for it to transfer to top portion of my eye. So I'm not going to look up just yet, but we're going to go ahead and apply the same thing to the other eye. So I'm just going to continue to put this glitter all over the lid area. Alright, so this is the glitter look. I'm going to go ahead and dust off this powder, apply my lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I finished my makeup look, and if you hear my daughter crying in the background, I do apologize. Trying to rush this video so I can go get her. But this is the finished eyeshadow look, and this is the complete makeup look. And so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also subscribe so you will be up to date when I post new videos. Alright, so until next time, I love you guys so much, and see you in my future video. Mwah.
Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin'.